I got up this morning, nice and early, about 6 o'clock, to read lots of English books and find out interesting things. And at the end of it, I was so depressed. I just felt told off. I felt I'd been just... I think it was Helena Roosevelt, wasn't it, who said, no one can make you feel less unless it is with your consent. So I do not consent to let these naggy books make me feel rotten. Ha! Join in and say it as well whenever you feel depressed about it all, because it is very, very miserable, isn't it? It's a glorious language. We should enjoy it. Now, we have mono, we have bi and tri. Now, these are all prefixes, which means little sort of part words that you shove in front of other words or part words, which will have, you know what they will mean. So we're going to add to this. Can you see mine? Here it is, cycle. A monocycle has got one sort of wheel, and you kind of like balance on the top and pedal like that. Yeah, give us a wave. Hello. A bicycle has got 2 wheels. See how like that? Or does it triangle go the other way? Who knows? There we are. A bicycle has got 2 wheels. Bicycle, round and round. And a tricycle has got 3 wheels. Now let's give them some handles. A triathlon has got 3. I think it's swimming, running and cycling. As you can tell, I don't do that too often. A triangle, 3 angles. A triathlon? I don't even know. Is a triathlon one of those things with 3 lith means stone, I think. So it's 3 stones. You know, the kind of, I think, is it one of those a bit like they have at Stonehenge. So very often, if you know all the bits of words, you can add them together and people can't intimidate you like those Richard books. We've got binoculars, where you can, it's got 2 noculars. Not sure about that. Bicycle, come back to it later. Mono, a monograph, monocycle, monochrome, which means it's just black and white, no colours. But mono means 1. Oh, I've just thought, here's one. Bison means you've got 2 sons. No, it doesn't. A bison is a kind of like cowy thing. There we are. Like they have on the North American plains. So you can sometimes run into trouble. But nonetheless, it's a good idea to have an idea what these things mean and enjoy it. And if you need to make up a new word, make up a new word. Words are always being added and they're fun. And if your spelling is unusual, or if your pronunciation is, and someone goes, oh, you say it like that, do you? Or I think you'll find it said, blah, blah, blah. Look them straight in the eye and say, how parochial. I didn't know anybody did it like that these days. Don't let them put you down. Just don't. English is for fun. Bye.